Hello students, here is an introduction of moral science. Today we are going to study moral science chapter number 9, that is being responsible. In this chapter we are going to study that how can we become responsible. This is a story. This is a story related to students of class 5th who have been promoted to class 6 recently, and now they have joined from primary to secondary wing. So they all are very excited for the first morning assembly of secondary wing to stand near their seniors, and they are eagerly waiting for their principal to address them. So all the students are very excited because they all are not having any idea ki what new will be given to them. Every year something new was organized for the newly promoted students. So it was every year. No one had any idea. No one had. Basically, students were waiting for their principal to address them in the new morning assembly of being promoted to class 6. So they are waiting for that. Their principal told them कि now you all are being responsible students, being you are being promoted to the secondary wing, so you all have to behave like responsible students. Now he or she introduces the students to Mr. Das, who was their instructor and security advisor. He greeted warmly and asked to follow to the auditorium. What Mr. Das did, he greeted the students and asked the students to follow him to the auditorium. In the auditorium, it was a grand hall, all the students seated, where the PowerPoint presentation was organized for the students. One by one, their roll numbers were flashed on that screen, and after that, they were appointed as the leaders of the class. Some one student is a discipline leader, another is uniform monitor, one is environment leaders, and other is cleanliness monitors. According to their post, their work has been divided. For example, discipline leader has to maintain a discipline in the assembly as well as in the class. Uniform monitors has to check the dresses of the students. Dresses should be properly cleaned, and environment leaders has to check cleanliness of the environment. If students are making any damage to the school furniture intentionally, so they had to earn to pay the fine. The children had to shoulder the cost of the repairs by doing some extra job in school itself. For example, working in school canteen or helping the sports teacher. Because it was recorded with Mr. Das by the leaders appointed. Board monitors had to think of theme based board arrangements and delegate work to classmates. See, what board monitors had to make, they have to write a proper quotation in on the boards every day. All the leaders were provided the batches for the successful 15 days tenure. So they were appointed for 15 days as the leaders of the class. After 15 days they were changed with other students. On the next turn, some big responsibilities were laid on the students. They were shown an emergency exit and firefighting equipments. The emergency exit training was provided to all with the help of an alarm. So they were provided an training program in which they were being aware of emergency exit in some drastic situations. Okay. So now the best way was to move down the stairs briskly one by one or in pairs. So this was the best way to suggest it. So there was a little conversation between Mr. Das and a girl, Reena. Reena asked, "At what levels in is the firefighting training provided?" Mr. Das smiled and said, "We have a security team to handle that, but class 12th boys and girls are provided with such training. This help us if we are endangered in a mall, movie hall, and at home too. So, Mr. Das concluded that school is well prepared with security team along with the class 12th boys and girls who were provided special training to handle such kind of situation. Mr. Das also added, I believe in each one of you. I am confident that you will discharge your duties not out of fear but out of a sense of responsibility that came hand in hand with the promotion to class 6th. Actually, Mr. Das concluded that he is very confident about that कि you students, not with your fear but the sense of responsibility you all are carrying after being promoted to class 6, because now you all are belonging to secondary wing. So with that sense of responsibility you can handle that situation. You need no need to scream and shout, but be a role model for others. Behave like a responsible student and handle the situation with a sense of responsibility. Your responsible behavior will help you to be a role model for others. That what Mr. Das trying to address. After that, he dispersed the class, and in case of problem or need some clarification, so they can get back to Mr. Das what he told. We change for the better. Every fortnight, we would wait for a fresh responsibility. Our dedication and hard work fetches us batches like Mr. Responsible, Miss Congeniality, and Green Champ. So he trying to convey that ultimately our dedication and hard work is there who can provide us the batches like Mr. Responsible, who is very responsible student. Next is Miss Congeniality, means who is very friendlier. Okay, next is Green Champ, like who is very environmentalist. So these are the batches which are provided to the students who worked hard and shows their dedication towards their work. Being responsible did not hamper our freedom or enjoyment but made us feel good about ourselves. So, the moral of the story is by becoming responsible, you will feel good about yourself at the end of the day rather than it hampers your freedom or enjoyment. So, be responsible in your life as well. So, students, I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you, all of you. Uh, Read the lesson carefully and do your question answers.